it, you guess what is that?
The other way. Put his leg in and hold on.
Only in Jamaica.
Yeah, let's put up his leg on and hold on.
Yeah.
Do you guys see what I see?
You can't see if nothing like how lick if you drop you put up. And when you put cut off it's too late.
We're losing 2 legs them.
And if you close up that then he'd kill him. And you ain't close up. Now hurry up and pass him. I stay far. And we flick them off.
Yeah. And what are you over there doing, Miss Giselle? Busted.
Put up and make him mad see it.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, what I mean.
Oh please, that are anything for anybody drink? All Memphis and Fiat them drink that.
Except for me.
All my rum cream, them bail out the last time they dug they dug here. That was not good. Miss Rob, the Baileys?
Yeah. They put it in a
Some people do that. They add anything more rum in there.
and it look
No, it tastes good. It tastes very good. Yeah.
Oh.
and it look
If it just a little bit.
weird.
Yeah, if it just a little bit in there. I said drink up. So fast, but you can make it turn. I drink it. Yeah, but tonight we need a drink. Tonight I said, we're making a start. I try them a drink. I pass out the.
But you can't drink.
Hey, you don't talk, you can't drink either. Coming like all around, can't drink.
You're smelling drunk.
You too. But she even I see
No,
me
maybe
here.
time.
Joking on for real. That's
Maybe
me.
time.
I was
I
like,
said in myself, you want yourself.
and I was sleeping with the thing over my head.
You are the same way, you can't drink either.
I'm a green out now. I won't tell her I can't drink the green out.
Video the craziness. Pine. Oh, I take me jackfruit. Oh God. Yeah, I'm a pine where did their country and I make your way down here. Yes. Yes. Did you say hi? I said party come. Look at this. I wanna go drink all of this. Yeah, it's in the face about here. What a pot. I say still asleep. Maybe I forgot lock up his something. Hold on. They're going outside.
Eh?
January.
January? Where you going?
Don't put no more jerk on it.
Why? Come on, unpack it.
You must say pick me them sitting there.
Leave it. Hey, kindness. Kindness, eh? And what is good?
What is?
I'll...
If they're cold, let's do.
Drink there.
Yeah, maybe me drink 2 of them if they're cold.
You have to go take this.
Maybe me drink 2 if they're cold. How we all like it? How we all like it?
Vamos aqui, ó.
Why? I'm going here whole night. Where we are go? You have to go to the jerk pan. The jerk pan is supposed to be rusty. I don't like it.
This one going in the fridge, man.
I'm just going. Oh, you want?
Put some of them in my freezer.
I'll take the freezer full of something. Man, put a...
Let me see if my mom can hold it.
Go.
Hey, yeah.
Sheldon.
Hey.
Miss Anissa, what you doing? You're not seeing up your hands? You're messing up your hands?
Salsa, you call it?
Playing in... What are you playing in? Yeah.
Come here, take it back.
Them breasts are big, you know. Them can't cut.
Look what them men say, I don't know who no one.
Almighty.
No money. Yeah?
That huge, man.
Look at the pot, Lania. Look at the pot, man.
Party, have a party.
One food, other than that.
Oh, you are cooking?
Look at my car.
January. Hi. January?
Go, get to worry. They actually get to fish. Because at demonstration, my demonstration, the question will be asked of the
How much are you supposed
Yeah.
What did they eat? What you buy? Which part you buy? What you buy? Mom fella? Ah, the copper pot?
She just just that
But in the first place, we have don't put your can't put bone in it. Because you know the chew and you know what, bite bone and what you have to your
I'm gonna
mouth.
mess up your mouth.
Yeah?
Look at her, what you born and she
You
tell.
know what I mean? You know what you eat? That is messing up, man. That run up in your gum, you know. Oh, that hot, man. Jesus. You know, you dance.
Let me up there. Anissa, give me something exclusive. Poor man. Where's him?
Oh, the ABC.
Yeah, see you dance.
Oh, so baby is cutting me some jackfruit, guys. Ooh.
Look at these baby pines. Oh shit. I will. This a cherry good? Me come sit down. To go pop my ass. Oh shoot.
Off your ass.
Put your bright on face there. Drop you want me drop on my face? Eh? Mr. Williams. I drop you want me drop on my face? Away I look for the what are you getting? The napkin? Oh yeah guys, so we just here chilling. Run light up a fire? I don't know, light up a fire till later. Oh, I love this new tripod. I love this new tripod. It's so much better and more convenient. Oh. I feel like I didn't even sleep last night. I'm up late having conversation and chilling after the funeral and just reminiscing about life and stuff like that. We had like a good group of girls who were just there talking, having a great time. So we're probably gonna go into town soon. We got a few order out what we're gonna go do, but we're just chilling here, about to cook some food. As you see, we're gonna have our little gathering party and stuff of our own. The breeze is actually nice down at the scheme, even though the sun is hot. Yo, eh? Oh no, Rocky don't have any. No good sign that day. But what about napkin? They don't have no napkin? So we got the grill man again on the grill as usual. Yes. How much a pound? How much a pound?
$220.
Wow. A thief, you thief man.
No man, like I just for the raw one. I can imagine when I done fry and I done jerk. Twice the amount to pay for seasoning and cold.
We know why you're on the side, no, you're on the fire side.
Yes, foreigner come from washing machine, they come use hand to wash clothes. Hey.
Listen to me, leave me alone. Listen, I hear something going on.
Exactly.
Because I'm American now, I'm still
Gone. Exactly. You hear that? You hear that? Never lose sight and focus of where you come from. Because at the end of the day, telling in the Bible, wherever we come from, we have to go back there at some point, sometime. And you see how much plane load that we are already starting to go home. And those are the ones that we're getting in trouble. So what about the one? So you can go put the ticket time out. Look at this little farm lady here. Me and they beat them. They beat out. Hello.
Alright.
Why, Yancy?
Cup it a star. Stick stuff. Watch out.
I was trying to cook it in green. Don't make sugar road, you know. Ajia wet up in. Ajia wet up. Chef Williams, what you do?
Boy, we are burn up a thing here, my brother. You know where you go?
I fish more, I'm in it. Yeah, I fish more. Bem big, do when I move to me, I'm to my
from last night.
No, God, it's my
You must put on 2 pounds for your sir. Yeah. They encourage us?
Yes.
One, Giselle.
Make sure you put it on.
Oh. No, where about me for? 2 feet from the curb to right here. How is part then?
Wholesale shopping. Market, guys. Oh Lord. Always shopping. The Giovanni. The foreigner come to town.
Oh, me?
You.
Hi. I see one wood burger onion in the veranda.
Oh, Lord.
How much you pepper?
You know, say people don't tell about that. Eh? How do you know say people don't tell him about that? You know, people don't much in pepper and they tell him. I didn't feel the pepper and then drop him back. You don't see me in my mouth. I run left for your fart. You think me ask about defend you? Me say me have a baby, so me have to go on. Yeah, me have a baby. You already live your life already. She know you don't live no name. I will protect the young one. Yeah. Oh. Tá budu luar yo. Afu.
Open the door. Again.
Afu no bag no. Where? No you must mad. No. Hello. See man they say good. Infinity wall today. Oh yeah. Hello. A video. Me I put up on YouTube. No. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Look. Say hi. 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 May I say hi? Hi. Hi. All the madman get up. All the madman get up and I say, oh, what can what is baby? Down to the madman get up. Oh, what am I here? Hey, madman, I say, what is that? Madman, I see here, so you never see madman, you know, they say you never see this in life, so you. They might say, no, and I'm me, they say mad.
Robbie, you know, see they smile.
That is I'm me, they say mad, look eh. They say me mad.
I see him think cherry that
They must see, I think, because the guy they get stuff on down there.
And something went wrong. No man,
Yeah, because the guy did go in with worms and they get stuff on down there. So we're in what, Mega Mart? Mega Mart now. Oh, that's not what we're looking for. That's not it. Huh? Wine, you gotta go over there. The wine section is over there. What?
I think they kind of wine.
Magic?
Yeah, but coconut one.
Yeah, it's coconut and... Hi, everybody. Here it is. Wow, there's one. Wait, see the other one down there, so. Down here. Yeah, auntie? Yeah? All yours. Put it on.
Come on. Let's go.
your little self. A little woman. Hmm? One little woman. No, you know, see me look I can get lost. Hmm? Yeah, we get two.
Come put the shoes on.
Okay. Put on your shoes. Come, you put your shoes on? Come put your feet in.
Hey guys, it's a little bit dark. Oh yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna show you outside. What go show no I'm going out the door. Yeah. One thing. So when we reach out there, I'm gonna show no I'm going.
Wanga Juzel, what that?
I have dumpling, 2 piece I am 3 finger banana, 1 leg at one time.
So fish, you
I'm
ready?
soon go for back my fish. Where am I there?
Wanga Juzel.
Where's the let me cheer them out and
Where cheer them in?
No, they're up on the veranda.
Go for one for me.
Maybe go for one for you.
Yes, and I think so.
Lania, what's that eating? What's that eating? Eh? Yeah, chicken leg. Eh? Oh yeah. Yeah, make you shell them.
You're gonna fight somebody. Come on, run, shanandmario and Dana. Get up on your shoulder, See that? You got that.
How was it, though? Children, tell January to push you up. 1 10. Mash up. Drop your go. Drop your go.
Fling you for daddy.
Drop your go.
All iPhone around you iPhone.
Hey, get my phone.
You'll never live to see that happen. They fire me from videoing job.
Hey guys, we are finally home. Oh my god, I am so tired. Fell asleep in the car, but we made it. It's after what, 12 o'clock, almost 1:45, but at least we're home safe and sound. I'm just coming by to end the vlog to tell you guys good night, and we will catch you in the next one, right, Mr. Williams?
Yep.
I know this is really love, cause baby, I feel the love. Me need more than a single. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you, cause everybody needs somebody.